Good morning everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be trying out a new creek that we haven't tried out before. It has a really pretty waterfall, so I'm feeling like there has to be some fish here. It's a kind of cold day this morning. It's below the 50s, but we're getting there right now. It's a little bit of a walk. This is the area. So yeah, hopefully it's a great day for fishing, and I hope you guys can cast along with us.
Let's do it.
Super deep, you see? It's deep. Oh, we can't. Wait, let's go to the middle.
You okay?
Yo, it went all the way. It was quicksand. I would have been done for.
Imagine you were by yourself.
Yeah, that's why you don't fish by yourself. How is it that deep? Don't do that either.
Imagine just.
What if we both go under? Maybe we need to stay like further away from each other. I was gonna try to throw like, you know, like throw that way and like.
Oh.
That's why I went that way. When you're trying to get unstuck? Oh, you saw that fish pop right there? You saw that fish pop right where I threw it? Right where I threw it. It went that way towards you where you're throwing. Oh, that's a good throw. You got one? I'm getting bites. When you're close to that tree, you do get bite. Oh, wait. They're chasing it. Bro, they were chasing it. Ooh. Sorry. Sorry, channel.
Oh my god. You did sorry, channel.
Yeah. I'm so confused how it went that deep. Like, how did my leg just sink that easily?
Yeah, it was pretty crazy.
Yeah, I feel like we're gonna have to call our parents like, come to Big Cayenne in your crew, we need help.
Oh my god.
Cause like, where are these fish at? I'm getting annoyed. It's like making me not want to stay here because we're not getting anything.
We gotta I'm not fishing.
Don't go to the right because it got deep.
It's getting too cold to fish.
Ooh! Oh! I got a fish! I got a fish! It might be a bass. It might be a bass.
Oh my god, that's a big
one!
I'm not even recording.
I'm not recording either.
You don't
Oh yeah, I
record.
am recording. I am recording.
That's a super nice one. Holy
What
cow.
is that? A
I
bluegill?
have no idea. It
Can
doesn't
you do
look
it
like
for
the
me,
bluegill
please?
colors.
Wow! Oh, no, that was right in the open.
That's a super good fish.
That is. That was worth the walk. They're almost a sinking.
There you go. Yeah.
It's good to swim fast. Yo, I caught that way. I did not think I got a fish. I thought I got
crazy.
stuck.
That was a big one.
That was a good one. It was worth the walk now. Should we go?
It's deep,
Oh, we
but it's
can't go.
navigable.
Oh, we can go over there maybe on the sand. Is it deep?
It's deep, but the sand's holding that way.
Yeah, it's super deep right here. How are we gonna get around it?
We probably could have caught a bass if we lost it. We just gotta go through it.
It's good.
It does get a little deeper there, but yeah, but there's two.
Are we getting deep?
No,
Stay this way. Stay this way. Which way should I go?
see if you could like go on this.
Oh, oh, oh. Oh yeah, it's hard. It's hard right here. But we have to keep going, right?
Can we just walk on this log?
Oh no, that's kind of dangerous.
I bet that's good fishing too. We should be fast enough.
Yo, Monto, that's not smart. Yo, how am I gonna do that? I can't do that. Why don't you walk sideways on it?
Ooh.
Yo, how deep is it there beside? We should have went on the bank. What were we thinking? What if it's deep this whole way? We could have just went on the bank.
No, that's fine, we're good, we're good.
What about me? You might be good.
You just gotta go sideways. You got it.
Oh yeah, sideways way better.
Yeah.
Oh, it was swimming without us at the hook fast enough.
Gotta be quicker than that.
Oh,
We gotta be quicker.
ooh. We found the secret area though. How do we get here? We should go look at where the road is and mark the location. Because the next time we could just come straight here. That one? Yeah! Yeah!
Finally.
Yay! Ooh,
What is
ooh.
that?
Oh, that's a red breast, right?
Oh, I think so.
Yeah.
Just the colors probably are a little different because
That's
of the
cool.
water temperature. Nice.
Nice one.
Look how I hooked it. It's like, wait, can you hold this for me?
How did it do that? That's actually kind of crazy. You got it? You have to do one, then the other?
Oh, wait, no, it's not in both.
Oh, it's only on the top.
Yeah.
You got it?
Yep.
Hi, Fifi.
Thank you. Yeah, I caught one.
I feel like all the fish are over here.
It's deeper.
Ooh, I already got bites right when I threw it out. That's kind of crazy. Ooh, it's cold though. Is that a bear cave? There's no bears here, right? Ooh, that was a big one. Yeah. I thought I got stuck, but it was a fish. I should have set the hook. Not you about to get it stuck in the same spot. For real? Oh my gosh, that's a bass! It's a spotted bass. It's big. It's big. Pull it in, pull it in, pull it in, pull it in. Holy crap.
Oh my gosh. Just eating my snacks. I just had it out there just staring at you. Look, it's chunky. It's been eaten.
Wow, that's a good one right there. Not you eating your snacks.
Yeah, I was just snacking. Ah! Hey.
That's a good one. Not you eating your snacks. Show them your snacks.
I was snacking. I just had my lure in there and it just bit. Alright.
That's a good size one.
Bye-bye. Thank you. That's crazy.
We got one. That thing jumped out the water.
Hey,
a red breast?
Definitely red breast.
Nice.
There we go.
That's a bigger one than the one you caught earlier.
You think
Need
so?
help? You want me to hold the pole?
No, I got it.
I think the other one's a little bit smaller, right?
Yeah, I think so.
I'm just snacking, eating some barbecue Lay's while Lump is catching all the fish. You got one?
I told you.
Oh, nice.
Red breast. Red breast. It's a little small one though.
Still a fish.
Fish is a fish. I'll take a really distant back. I'm about to take a fish.
Take a fish.
Catch a fish. That's how you catch a creek fish.
Where did it go?
It went up to the bed. No, I got bites too.
Okay, you want to do it again?
Yeah.
Okay, ready, set, go.
That's how you catch a creek fish.
We just need to put all those together in a video. All right, part 3.
Part 3. Creek fish. Creek fish.
Creek fish what? How to catch a creek fish?
My name's Alonso, and this is creek fish.
Yeah. You knew what I was saying.
Yeah, I had to think about it. Creek fish.
No, how to catch a creek fish.
That was a good throw.
Ooh, you got one. Holy crap.
It's done. Bass.
That's a good one. Let's see. It has red eyes. What the hecky? That was a good throw.
That was my best
Any
throw of
help?
the day. Alright, we got the hook out. Nice little largemouth bass. You know? That's how you do it. Creek fishing. Oh my gosh.